Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cake hat on Dress to Impress. So first you are going to use the code here, the crown code. I'll just use this one. So you'll need this one, and you're going to color it the color of the cake that you want. So I'm just going to color it maybe a little bit darker, this color here. And then you are going to also use this hat, and you're going to color it the same color as your crown here. Now it's not going to be the perfect match because this one has a shine to it. Let me see if I can. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that first, and we'll adjust the colors a little bit later. Then I am going to use this hat over here for the other color. And then for the frostings, I'm going to walk here to the flower, and you're going to pick a color of a frosting. I'm going to do maybe this black color. Then I'm going to choose that for this one as well. And that is pretty much it. You can just adjust the rest later. Maybe I want the frosting to be white actually. Or maybe a cream color. I'm just trying to adjust it to my liking here. Okay, maybe that looks a little bit better. There we go. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!